think when we begin meditation, we all start in a different place. And sometimes we get it straight away. You know, it might be within the first 5 minutes, like, oh, wow, well, this feels really nice. For another person, it might take a couple of days, another couple of weeks. I had someone write in the other day who said they just hit their 365-day run streak. And they tweeted to say that the penny didn't really drop until day, I think it was 352. And I love that, in the fact that meditation is just about turning up each day. It doesn't really matter kind of if we have a sense of what's changing and what's happening. Besides, apart from anything else, the mind that's judging is the same mind that's being judged. So it gets very complicated anyway when we're trying to kind of analyze this stuff. The important thing is just to turn up, to approach it in the right way each day, and it will naturally unfold in its own time.